Alright, so are you tired of using the same old camera angles in your travel videos? Do you want to take your videos to the next level and make them stand out from the rest? In this video, we'll be sharing some unique camera angles that you can use on your next travel video to capture the beauty of your destination in a new and exciting way, and how it will improve your visual storytelling. So let's get right into it. Camera angles can improve your visual storytelling. The way you position your camera affect the way your audience sees or perceives your image or your shots. Like this, for example. The low-angle shot is a powerful way to capture the grandeur and scale of your surroundings. Use it when filming towering buildings, majestic mountains, or stunning waterfalls. To get this shot, simply place your camera low to the ground and tilt upwards. Again, this angle can create a sense of power, dominance, and intimidation as the subject appears larger and more imposing. In terms of differences between the worm's eye view and the low-angle shots, the worm's eye view is a more extreme angle taken from directly below the subject, whereas the low-angle shot can be taken from a wider range of positions. Additionally, the worm's eye view is typically used to depict heroes or powerful characters, whereas the low-angle shot can be used for a wider range of subjects. Overall, both the worm's eye view and the low-angle shot can be powerful tools in creating unique and impactful shots in filmmaking. The choice between the two will depend, of course, on the specific scene and subject and desired effect that you want. Now, on the opposite side of things, the high-angle shot is a great way to show the layout of a location or capture a bird's eye view of a scene. Use it when filming a busy street or a crowded market. In order to take this shot, of course, simply place your camera at a high vantage point, such as rooftop or a bridge. You can also use a drone to get this kind of shots. The over-the-shoulder angle is a shot taken from behind one character, showing the perspective of another character looking at them. It is commonly used during dialogue scenes where two characters are having a conversation with each other. This shot can provide a sense of intimacy and closeness between the characters, as well as giving the audience a sense of being part of that conversation. The over-the-shoulder shot is often used as a two-shot, with both characters, of course, in the frame, allowing the audience to see their facial expressions and body language as they interact with each other. You see this shot in all of the movies where dialogue is present. This kind of shot can also be used to emphasize certain emotions or reactions, such as when a character is either surprised or upset. Now, to add to that, the over-the-shoulder shot can be used to establish a spatial relationship between characters and their surroundings by showing the background and the character's position in relation to each other. It can help to orient the audience and provide context for the scene. Overall, the over-the-shoulder shot is a versatile and commonly used shot in filmmaking, providing intimacy, of course, and context and sense of being part of that conversation. This shot is a cinematic way to capture a journey or a progression. You can use this when filming a hike or bike ride. Now, to be able to get this shot, simply attach your camera to a stabilizer or a drone and follow the action. Now, the selfie shot is a very fun way to include yourself in your travel videos and share your experiences with your audience. Use it when you want to show your reaction to a beautiful view or a new experience. To be able to achieve this shot, of course, we all know, just hold your camera at arm's length and point it towards yourself. Now, to sum these things all up, using unique camera angles can add a fresh and exciting perspective to your travel videos. Remember, try to use the low-angle shot to capture grandeur, the high-angle shot to show a bird's eye view, tracking shot to show a journey, and the selfie shot to include yourself in your videos. Hopefully, with these tips, you can create travel videos that are both visually stunning and engaging. Now, if you find this video useful, of course, don't forget to share this, like, and comment So if you have any questions, don't forget to write it down on the comments below and I will be answering all of them. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, hit subscribe, and let's all learn, create, and share. So peace out.